In this video you'll discover exactly how to find the cheapest car insurance in Miami. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service. At 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and provide you with the best quote for your location. Now, we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many Miamians: finding the absolute best deals on car insurance. If you're looking to save some serious cash without compromising coverage, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing some insider tips and tricks to help you score the cheapest car insurance in Miami. Let's get started. Part 1: Importance of car insurance. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly touch on why having car insurance is essential. It's not just about following the law, it's about protecting yourself financially in case of an accident. Miami's bustling streets can be unpredictable, and having proper coverage can be a lifesaver. Part 2: Research and comparison. Tip number 1: Do your homework. Research and compare different insurance providers. Websites and apps make this easier than ever. Check out a variety of companies to see what kind of coverage they offer and at what rates. Part 3: Understand coverage needs. Tip number 2: Understand your coverage needs. Do you drive a brand new luxury car, or do you have an older, more affordable model? Knowing your vehicle's value can help you choose the right coverage level and avoid overpaying. Part 4: Bundle up. Tip number 3: Consider bundling your insurance policies. Many companies offer discounts if you have multiple policies with them, such as home and auto insurance. It's a great way to cut costs without compromising on coverage. Part 5: Raise deductibles. Tip number 4: Think about raising your deductibles. A higher deductible can mean lower monthly premiums. Just make sure you have enough savings set aside to cover that deductible in case of an accident. Part 6: Defensive driving course. Tip number 5: Take a defensive driving course. Not only can this improve your driving skills, but many insurance companies also offer discounts to drivers who complete these courses. Part 7: Maintain a good driving record. Tip number 6: Maintain a clean driving record. Safe driving can lead to lower rates over time. Avoid accidents and traffic violations, and you'll see those premiums drop. Part 8: Shop around regularly. Tip number 7: Don't settle. Even if you found a great deal, it's important to shop around for new quotes every year. Life circumstances change, and you might be eligible for even better rates with a different provider. Part 9: Local insurance agents. Tip number 8: Consider using local insurance agents. They often have a better understanding of the Miami market and can help you find the most suitable and affordable options. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 8 insider tips and tricks to help you secure the cheapest car insurance in Miami. Remember, it's all about doing your research, understanding your needs, and making smart choices. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.